Explain Crypto to Complete Beginners, my guide. Imagine your sibling asking you to gift them an Air Jordan 1 for their birthday. You replied immediately with your go-to response, "I've just invested all my money in crypto. I've no money to do that. Sorry." Then your sibling responds, "Crypto? The thing everyone keeps talking about. What's it about, and why is it everywhere?" Then you decide to enlighten them about crypto by quoting and reciting all technical papers about it. Guess what? You then receive the most confusing and lost look for all the technical jargon. Then your sibling says, "Crypto gives you money? But how? You said it's a virtual currency. How then do you spend it?" It's at that moment you realized that you haven't passed anything across but more confusion. You are left wondering what went wrong. Okay, let's move on to another scenario. Your friend rings you up and invites you to check out and hang out at the newly opened club downtown. You respond with the same go-to response you told your sibling about how you don't have any money since you've invested in XYZ crypto. Your friend tries to convince you, and when they realize you wouldn't budge, they proceed to ask the $1 million question. When will you have the money to hang out? Then, with all the cryptofidence you've got, you explain to your friend the process involved in crypto trading and investments, and then assure them it would be worthwhile in the end. Then your friend sighs in confusion and ends the call for lack of anything to say. In these two scenarios, the main issue isn't your lack of money. Maybe it is, but your approach to getting your sibling and your friend to understand the concept of crypto. If I were alien to the world of crypto, I would have reacted the same and even worse, because I find it hard to comprehend things I'm unfamiliar with, especially when they are explained using technical terminologies. While the word crypto is famous and everywhere, many are still in the dark about what it entails. Some aren't interested, while others have never been introduced to it in a manner that they wouldn't feel like they had been teleported to another universe. This is the reason I have prepared a guide on how to explain crypto to complete beginners such that even a 5-year-old can comprehend it. Hello, and welcome to this video. Here, we will look into cryptocurrency, its various coins, concerns about safety and criminal activities, and its prices and value. We would also consider why to invest and what coin to purchase in the most straightforward and easily digestible form possible. Concept of cryptocurrency. You know how there are so many reactions towards crypto. For instance, you have those that wouldn't even spare it a glance, and those that would be curious because it's everywhere. Then those who are vocal about their enthusiasm ask you about it every minute. Those people usually ask things like, "What is crypto? What is Bitcoin? Why are people saying to buy the dip? What is HODL? Isn't it a misspelled word? What happened to Luna?" And so many questions, it feels like you're in an interview. Well, it's time to match back their enthusiasm. Simply put, cryptocurrency is the same as our traditional currency. The only difference is that conventional money is in the form of paper that we can see and feel, while crypto is digital. They both serve the same purpose, which is as a means of exchange, payment of goods and services, and an instrument for financial stability. Traditional currency is highly regulated by the government in that whatever value they place on the money is whatever it is. That is, $10 is what it is because the bank and government said so. They tell us how much we've spent, how much we have left, and if our remaining balance is enough to afford our lifestyle. Credit score. Sounds hard? Let's take it this way. You know how you have the regular currency and use it to do whatever money can do? Cryptocurrency is also used that way. The only difference is you can hold your traditional money. You cannot do that with crypto. Crypto is the messiah of financial transactions as it eradicates all the restrictions and controls the traditional currency holds. Cryptocurrency has no such regulations as it's neither issued nor controlled by any government or central authority. The digital currency operates through peer-to-peer networks of a technology known as the blockchain. Blockchain is the same as a bank's ledger for traditional currency. It shows every transaction record involving that currency, but doesn't judge your financial status. A crypto's blockchain is specific to the coin and open to everyone using that currency. Hence, there's no control over it. With cryptocurrency, what you see is what you get. No third party is involved. Not even any country can influence or control cryptocurrency, and everyone can participate in it. The critical points to cryptocurrency include: it is seamless as a means of a transaction like the typical cash. It isn't tied to any institution or government. It's transparent, so no manipulations can occur. It's irreversible, unlike traditional currency. This makes it suitable for business people. It is secured as it operates using blockchain, powered by technical computer programming. The various coins involved in cryptocurrency. The unit of cryptocurrency is called a token or coin. There are various coins involved in cryptocurrency, as anyone can mine a coin. Yes, you heard correct. Mining is associated with cryptocurrency like gold. An investor can use blockchain to mine a particular token or currency, then put in a proof of stake to allow others to start investing and transacting with such token or coin. To understand what proof of stake is, check out the video link in the description below. The most popular currencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These coins have stood the test of time and are stable for transacting in cyberspace. Concerns about safety and criminal activities in cryptocurrency. While many people don't fully understand the concept of cryptocurrency, they are fully aware of the security and criminal concerns surrounding it. There have been various reports from cybersecurity outfits on hacking and stealing tokens. However, this has nothing to do with the coins themselves. Like robbing a bank or stealing cash from people has nothing to do with the money itself. There's nothing unsafe or criminal about cryptocurrency. However, hackers and thieves use its digital platform to perpetuate their evil acts. The prices and values of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency prices are known to usually fluctuate. Why? Because digital currencies operate using a peer-to-peer network, that is, between individuals with no third party. Emotions and rumors play a significant role. Through hearsay, a digital currency's prices can shoot up or plunge. However, some tokens are stable, and regardless of the highs and lows, transactions and investments are worthwhile in the long run. This is what makes cryptocurrency highly volatile. Different digital currencies have different values. For instance, a Bitcoin is divided into 1,000,000 pieces, meaning each bit is 1,000,000th of the leading coin. It's like a dollar equivalent to 100 cents, implying a cent is 100th of a dollar. Why invest? The million-dollar question here is, why invest in crypto? It's simple while investing in real estate, or why invest in gold and diamonds? Like real estate and precious metals, cryptocurrency is a substantial financial prospect. It's said to be the future of finance due to its various technological innovations. You may not get to have money on you most of the time, and you may not be able to check out the new club downtown with your buddies, but in the long run, you will acquire financial stability. What coin should you buy? The coin you should buy depends on your ability to take risks and the money you can afford to invest. With so many coins out there, you need to be cautious and avoid falling into scams. You should check the total value locked, TVL, of the token you're interested in to make the right choice. The higher the TVL, the more reliable and profitable the currency. For more information on TVL, check out the link in the description below. Wrapping up this video, it's safe to say that how something is brought forward will determine how well it will be received. Crypto can be explained to beginners so that they will understand and be interested in taking part. So say no to confusing looks and yes to an understanding look by using this guide to explain crypto to beginners. There's an even better hack to it. Show your sibling or friend or any other acquaintance that needs a simple and understandable explanation about crypto this video and thank me later. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Did you enjoy the video?